MTDCNC have travelled to Wolverhampton to the home of Parker Precision on behalf of ETL Fluid Experts, and I'm joined by Adam. Adam, thank you for having us here today. Can you firstly tell me a little bit about your company and what you do?
We make precision aerospace parts. We also make parts for oil and gas industry. We do medical, some military parts and some electronic. The company's been going since 1952 and we're still going strong.
Now, in regard to the technology that you've invested in, you've invested in some of the latest technology from fifth axis machines, sliding head machines. You know, how important is it to invest in this latest technology to be competitive?
Well, my directors truly believe that we have to keep up with everybody else, so nearly every 12 months we buy new machinery. We're always looking for something with either more axis or more capability. We don't just buy what we need, we buy what we're going to need.
I would imagine that you're purchasing machines such as this to keep the cost down of the components. Now, would you say that coolant is an element of the engineering process that is overlooked?
Yes, yeah, definitely. We've used probably 3 or 4 different companies now for coolant, and now we're with ETL, we're quite happy. We're not cleaning machines out as much. We're seeing tips last longer. The machines are staying a lot more hygienic because we were changing them every 6 months. We've now got machines in here that have been running for 14 months on the same coolant, and the service we get from them is really good.
So you mentioned tool life being increased. You know, how is this achieved from the coolant?
Well, the quality of the coolant. We've also worked closely with Matt from ETL on speeds and feeds, what's best for the tip as well as just the coolant. The coolant's the first and the last thing on the job.
Extremely important. Now, in regards to surface finish and other elements, can it also improve surface finish accuracy?
Yeah, definitely. Like I say, we work closely with Matt, so we worked on speeds and feeds, got a surface finish is better, tips are lasting longer, which is reducing cost on tooling, and it is a really good product.
Now, in regards to service, what do ETL do different than other coolant providers?
Once a month they come in, they test his pH, they test the strength of his coolants. Matt from ETL came in and gave all our guys some training, so everybody knew what to do, how to keep the machines clean, what concentricity to keep it at, how to check it, what to look for when there's bacteria growing in the machine and things like that. He gave us some real good knowledge which no other companies ever give us before. Now,
most companies, well, ETL are a little bit different. They want to sell you as least coolant as possible.
Yeah, that's true. They are trying to sell it to us as it is a good product. We're not going to have to clean out all the time, and so far it's proving to be good. 14 months, like I say, one of the machines have been running, not had to clean it out yet, so it's just continuous top-ups.
Are you running all of the machines in your workshop with ETL Fluid?
All of our coolant-led machines are. We've just got the stars, we've got 4 machines, which is a neat oil, which we haven't changed over to ETL yet. We're in talks with ETL at the moment to move that over. We're going to do some trials on one of the machines to see if it's going to be better for us. That'll be coming up later this year.
And so effectively you're saving a lot of money on coolant, but is this also, you know, with using less coolant, is this also helping the environment too?
Yes, definitely. We don't empty machines as much, so we're not having to get the oil taken away. We literally just do top-ups, so we have a lot less oil waste than we used to.
So ultimately, is it safe to say that this strategic partnership with ETL Fluid Experts is making you as a company more profitable?
Definitely, yes. We spend less time focusing on coolant. We're not buying as much as we used to. So it's reducing costs on our company through having ETL working with us.